Good evening to one and all. Now I am telling answers for the Node.js interview questions. First question: what is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js uses JavaScript, whereas Apache it is a web server, not a programming language. Node.js non-blocking and asynchronous, single-threaded with event loop. Node.js is very fast for real-time applications, chat apps, and APIs. Whereas when coming from Apache, it handles HTTP requests, usually works for PHP to process backend logic. And PHP, it is a server-side scripting language. Each request creates a new process, mostly synchronous. Second question is, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? If callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed after a task is completed. Node. Node.js uses callbacks because it is asynchronous. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file contains information about the Node.js project. It includes name, project name, project version, short info, entry file, commands like start, required packages, dependencies. Dev dependencies means development packages. It helps manage project dependencies using npm. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? We use require when we use it in common JS, default in Node.js. Use it like const express is equal to require express. Whereas import is used in ES6 modules, modern JavaScript way. Use it like import express. That is, import is used to import the packages or import the modules. Whereas require is used to create objects. What is middleware in express.js? Can you give an example of how you do use middleware in Express application? Middleware is a function that runs between request and response. It can modify request or response, validate users' log data. Example, app.use require ris comma next is equal to console.log middleware running next. What is RESTful API and main HTTP methods? A RESTful API is a way to build web services using HTTP methods. Main HTTP methods are get that is used to get data, post that is used to create data, put for update data, and delete for deletion of the data. What is an NPM? What is the purpose of Node Package Manager that is NPM and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? NPM Node Package Manager is used to install and manage packages. Commands like npm init that is used to create package.json and npm install express that is used to install packages and npm start is used to run project. It manages dependencies in the package.json file. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing protects user passwords. If the database is hacked, plain passwords can be stolen. Hashed passwords are secure. We use libraries like Bcrypt. Hashing makes passwords safe and secure.